Hello guys, my name's Neo Brown, and I did my article on Teach Math Strategies to Reach All Students. This was written by Mary Lou, and her objective was to come up with 20 ways of helping all students. This includes ELL students, SPED students, and general ed students, and students struggling with math in general. One of the ways she did this was to mention using manipulatives in class. This can be anything from unifix cubes, triangles, blocks, just anything kids can use to learn how to count or do other things in class. One of the things we have done in our class, well, we watched on a video, was watch students use unifix cubes to learn one-on-one correspondence. So she kind of goes into this in this article. Another thing she mentions is letting students draw out a word problem. A lot of times when students are ELL, they have trouble with the language of math rather than the actual equation itself. So if you're able to let a student draw out what they mean, they'll be able to understand the math problem a little bit easier and get to that final equation. The next thing she kind of mentions are the benefits of using literature and mathematics. A lot of the times students have a lot of anxiety with math or end up not liking it, but bringing literature into math can bring a whole different level of interest. Using literature and math leads to problem solving and active involvement from the story's context. It also teaches math in the context of a story. This allows students to learn how to problem solve, and it also incorporates history, culture, and practical applications. Another thing she mentions is using real-world connections. So a lot of the time we give students a problem and just expect them to solve it, and this leads the student to kind of wonder, well, when am I ever going to use this in real life? Well, this can be the opportunity to kind of incorporate that. For example, you can use a cash register for counting money and show students that this is an essential skill.